All right, guys, what is going on in this video? I'm going to cover the dumbbell hammer curl, okay? So let's get into it. First things first, your thumbs are going to be facing up, okay, or facing forward, facing the wall in front of you, okay? So hands neutral, so no there and no reverse. Hands neutral. Most important thing, keep your elbows right by your side, okay? Keep your elbows right by your side. Both, you can see both sides, right? So elbows right by your side. From there, I think you're going to point your thumb up and curl up to the wall, up to the ceiling, I'm sorry. So the dumbbells are going to be pointing straight up, right back down, pointing straight up, right back down. So your hands remain neutral and your elbows stay by your side. I can't stress this enough. Stay by your side with your elbows. No out there. Get them by your side, keep them by your side. You probably have to go down in weight because your biceps are not that big of a muscle. I wish they were, but they're not. So keep your elbows right by your side and then do your bicep curls from there. So big things, just keep your shoulder, the same as a regular bicep curl. Keep your shoulders back, keep your elbows back. Keep your body in one straight line. No leaning and no swinging, all right? Nice and controlled, elbows by your side, dumbbells facing straight up to the ceiling, slow on the way down. Dumbbells up to the ceiling, slow on the way down. You should be feeling it right in that outer bicep and forearm area, okay? Because that's what you're trying to work. The minute you go out here, you're not going to work anything. And the minute you start swinging, you're not going to work anything. If you want more defined, better arms, do the exercise correctly, slow down, use the right form, and get better defined arms, all right? Thanks, guys.